Greetings, friends, and thanks for taking some time to watch this video. This is a short presentation that will give you an overview of the major events that we'll be working on over the next several years when it comes to WASC and our assessment and accreditation efforts. This rather involved and complicated timeline will outline the basic events and responsibilities that we have over the next few years. We began in this past fall with some assessment workshops. These were held on the main campus and also out in the centers. And what we did in these workshops was to outline for you all the assessment process, the different parts that we would be responsible for to put together a robust and comprehensive assessment system on the campus. That will be followed up with the work that we are currently working on, which is the setting up of all these systems into TaskStream. We'll begin our efforts April 16th, and we intend to complete those by the 31st. The next step in the process is for you all then to actually implement a assessment cycle in your programs. This will start with the assessing of signature assignments, and then we will collect data from those assignments and compile that and then reflect upon it and devise an action plan which will reflect our desire to improve the quality of our performance. At the end of this year, when we do this, actually the academic year 2013 and 14, we will spend some time and talk about what went on during the previous year. We want to make sure that our assessment efforts are comprehensive, that they fit our institutional mission and our pedagogical approaches. If we see anything that needs to change, we will make adjustments and move forward into a cycle the following year. Concurrent with all of this is some work that we will be doing for WASC. This starts with a short proposal that we'll be writing and completing by the end of May and sending off to WASC, which outlines the assessment activities, or the accreditation activities over the next several years. Specifically, those activities involve, first of all, writing a capacity and preparatory review report. And this report basically does pretty much what it sounds like. It demonstrates to WASC, or shows WASC, that we do have the capacity in order to be able to achieve the educational objectives that we outline for the students who come and study here. This is followed up by a capacity visit. Several folks from WASC will come and talk to us, and we will set up interviews with different groups across campus. They will use this time to verify that what was in the report is indeed true, and to make sure that we do indeed have the capacity to be able to achieve the educational objectives of the institution. This is followed by a more comprehensive report that specifically deals with our educational effectiveness. We want to demonstrate to WASC that those folks who study here do indeed achieve not only the educational objectives of the institution, but also that of each individual program. And then finally, the educational objective visit, which is a little more than 2 years out. That time will pass quickly, though, and sooner than we realize, a team from WASC will be coming here to investigate that part of our claims, that students do indeed come here, study, achieve the educational objectives that we say they do. Well, that is the overview of the responsibilities that lay before us. We will give you detailed information on each of these steps, and you will be seeing the first set of those responsibilities shortly. But we do want to thank you for taking time not only to listen to this presentation, but also for all the work that you do here to make this an incredibly outstanding place, both to work and for students to come and learn. We do thank you for that effort and pray that God will continue to bless the work of your hands.